Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
One of the most enjoyable aspects of manipulating photos and creating images is sharing them with others. In the Organizer window, you can use the Share button in the Shortcuts bar to share selected photos with others. To do this, select the media to share in the Organizer window, click the Share button in the Shortcuts bar of the Organizer, and select a choice from the drop-down menu that appears. The choices are Facebook, Email, Flickr, Twitter, Vimeo, YouTube, Burn Video DVD, and PDF Slideshow. You can also click the Share button in the Shortcuts bar of the Photo Editor window when a photo is opened or you have photos within the photo bin. However, your sharing choices may be limited depending on the number of photos available in the photo bin. After selecting a sharing choice, follow the steps in the associated wizard that appears to share your creations. If you select the email choice, your computer's default email program will launch, allowing you to send the selected photos. If you select Facebook, Flickr, Twitter, Vimeo, or YouTube, then Elements will optimize the selected photos for sharing on the selected site and prompt you for your login credentials for the selected site to complete the upload. You can choose to burn your creation to a DVD only if you have Adobe Premiere Elements installed. To do this, if you don't already have your project open, select File Open from the menu bar in the Organizer. Select your creation and click OK. Then select the Burn Video DVD choice from the Share button's drop-down menu of choices. Then insert your blank DVD into the appropriate drive for your computer and choose the destination drive from the available choices shown. Enter a name into the name text box and choose a write speed. When you're done, click the OK button to burn the video.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.